Okay, we've got a typical YouTube unboxing video coming up. Got some mail in and gotta be cliched, as Farmers Rescue would say. So let's get to it. I got a package in from TheCromeShop, and let's see what we got in it. I already know what this is. Dump it out, then we'll... There's no money in it. Cheap bastard. Alright. Got the new MOE K-grip. Been wanting one of these for a little bit. Wanted to replace the grip on my Colt. I'm switching back from flat dark earth to black, but I can't get in the box. Screw it. It is a little bit shorter. Do like the feel of it though. So what else we got? Oh yeah. This is Rock River Star Safety Selector. These feel a whole lot better than the standard safety selectors to me. A little longer, easier to manipulate. Helps your gay R15 handle better. Here's some assorted rubbers and muzzle protector, which makes your gay R15 even gayer. Here is the real thing I was been wanting for a while, and you never find these around here, and they're always sold out. Rock River Winter Trigger Guard. Solid metal. I like them a lot better than the Magpuls, which a lot of people are using because they're so popular. But this is what I was really waiting on. This is the new AB Arms LTF handguard. Got this instruction manual. That's fancy. And a sticker. I didn't get a sticker last time, so that's fancy too. There's a high-tech rubber band in case you get cut or something. Use it as a tourniquet. Yeah, I like this a little bit better for me. It's just flat on the top as opposed to the other one, the original, which don't really need that to me on this Colt, but yeah, I like it pretty well. I've got a flat top it's gonna look a lot better on without the rail. Might even make it a little less gayer looking, but I don't know. Still AR-15. But yeah, there's my classic epic unboxing there. And so far I like this one a lot better than the old one. Sure did. So I'm going to try to put a link down below if I can figure out how to do it. And oh yeah, here's one other thing that I had to purchase. I had to purchase a little while ago at Walmart. A new lock. It seems sometime during the night, some really nice concerned citizen, I guess, decided that I had too much stuff in my shop and decided they needed to break into it. So I get a new lock. Oops. Had to get a new lock, put on that. But other than that, yeah, pretty happy with this stuff. Now I gotta now I gotta do a lot of work. Alright, that's my unboxing.